Hey my people, now welcome back to this channel. Now this channel will bring on as matter they go and how they be.
Now we say congratulations to Wumi Toriola. The actress shock everybody. All the people be say that they say this woman no fit make her. Now she post time, she even talk say God do am for her. Nobody that all na go see the ass woman. Me na look as people just dey observe. People call even they talk say they no even know say na like this the house big go shoot. It's me na congratulate this woman. Now she put am for her Instagram page on Wednesday. She writes, she talk say of a truth it is the Lord's doing and it is marvelous in our sight. Congratulations to me as I am a bona fide owner of one of these newest Lekki house owner. To my maker, I bring back the glory to you. Hashtag 002 hashtag Lekki house owner. My people, now so congratulations message just a flow. This woman just splash her millions on a multi-million naira mansion for Lekki. Now Lekki she dey get the house, now Lekki she take build the house. But all this thing happen, now when she the first time we say one of our colleague, and they hear me so, one of our colleague call her out and he want the sponsor attack against her. Now she come make just like 1 week after, now she come make the announcement to shock people. My people, me na congratulate this woman and make her also hear our opinion for the comment section. Most of this colleague will be the actress like Afolabi, Odunlade Adekola, Yabo Ojo, Moyiwalawa. They told the shower and congratulations. Una know say this thing happen after the woman he don't live in husband many years. Now she behind this house. So I beg a woman una talk something for the comment section. Una feel say woman need man to take buy things, a bit to do good things like this. This one an example. Share out for the comment section. From us here, we say congratulations, Wumi Toriola. Get special for your undiluted TV station, DIGINAIJA TV. Bye for now.